Hey guys, so hello, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to make egusi soup. If you're interested, please relax and continue watching. For the list of ingredients, we need 2.5 cups of egusi, half cup of crayfish, 2 habanero peppers, and 1 castor oil seed, 3 medium-sized red bell peppers, 1 bulb of onion. To make a perfect egusi soup, you need palm oil that doesn't have an aftertaste. You may check out this brand by MEDPARK Farms. You can find it on Amazon and on Walmart's marketplace. Here I have some spinach. You can make use of ugu or bitter leaves. Here is my KNORR seasoning powder and salt. Here I have some smoked turkey and smoked mackerel fishes. Here I have cooked stock fishes. I already cooked it with a pressure pot because it takes long time to cook. Here I have some bomo already cooked as well. So the first thing we are going to do is to wash and blend our melon seeds. Make sure you wash your melon seeds unless you hand peeled them yourself, okay? If you go to the market and see how everyone touches this egusi seed, you won't even want to cook it without giving it a thorough wash. So that's the first thing I like to do. Just wash the egusi properly and transfer to your blender. If you have the already ground egusi, you don't need to go through this process. Transfer the washed egusi seeds to a blender. Add the bell peppers, the onion, and the habanero peppers. Add about half or 1 cup of water and blend everything until it becomes very smooth. Set it aside. Now to a preheated pan, add about 2 scoops of palm oil. You don't need too much oil because egusi has lots of oil. So just add about 2 spoons of oil. When it heats up for about 1 minute, add your blended egusi paste and stir vigorously. Don't allow it to get burnt. If you are making use of the ground egusi, just add it once your oil heats up, which takes about 1 minute or less. Go ahead and fry everything for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add in your meat stock and your stock fish. Add more meat stock if you have. If you don't have it, just add normal water. In this case, I added the water that I got from rinsing my blender. Go ahead and add the cow skin. Mix everything together and cover it. Let it cook for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, stir everything together and make sure that it's not getting burnt. Okay, we need to cook this egusi for a total of 20 minutes before the oil comes out, but you don't have to cook it straight away. You have to open at intervals and stir it so it doesn't get burnt. This was after about 7 more minutes. As you can see, the egusi oil is beginning to come up at the top, and this is an indicator that the egusi is getting done or being cooked properly. So the next thing you are going to do is to stir everything again to avoid it from getting burnt. At this stage, I added my smoked turkey. The reason for adding it now is I want the turkey to absorb the flavor and the aroma of the egusi. That's why I added it at this point. But if the meat you are using is very soft already, don't add it at this point. There is no particular order when it comes to adding in your meat and your fishes. Just add according to their tenderness. I added the stock fish first because it is the least tender. I'm going to add in my fishes last because they are the most tender. At this point, our egusi is properly cooked. Now go ahead and add in your seasoning cube or your seasoning powder. Add salt to taste. Add the ground crayfish and mix thoroughly. The last orishi we are going to add to this soup is our smoked mackerel fish. Add it and stir gently to avoid disintegration. Add in the vegetables and mix everything together. You may add more fluid if you don't want the soup to be very thick. Then go ahead and enjoy the soup with any swallow of your choice. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give me a huge thumbs up and please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and God bless you.